Greetings. Welcome to How to Earn Income Online, One Mission, One Goal. I'm Patrick Major, and today I'm going to show you how you can use LeadsLeap Share Codes to create a lead capture page without having to do all the work. And what we'll do is we'll use this lead capture page here, how I'm able to get traffic daily and earn thousands in residual commissions. It's really quite simple. What you would do is you would just copy this share code like so, and you'll go into your page manager here on LeadsLeap, and I'm already there, and click on add a new page campaign, and you give it a title. And for this, I'll just say how to get traffic daily. And you'll click on add now. And once you do that, I like to go in here and give it a browser title, how to get traffic, oops, two F's, one C, my bad, daily. And when you have a pro account, which is an upgrade, you can create a custom slug rather than the ugly looking thing that they have here. And I'm going to just say get daily traffic. Oops, no spaces. Okay. And I'm not worried about an image or a favicon right now. And give it a tag. Has already been used. Okay, we can just put now. All right, now we're good. Always give your pages a tag so they'll be easy to find. And I'll show you how to do that. And this is going to be, I'll make it get daily traffic. Now, okay, it won't fit. I'm not editing. If there's a mistake, it's in there. And we'll get to spell it right. There we go. And let's see, I'll insert an ad bar. That's something that you would create. And I'll save it. Now, once I refresh the screen, you'll see that the slug has been changed to get daily traffic now. And so now what I'm going to do is add a new page design. Before I do that, the reason why you would want to put a tag on it is you can find everything easily when you click on filter by tag / funnel. And as you can see, it's right here. Get traffic now. Okay. And so to use our page code for the share code rather, you would click on add a new page design to start. And rather than add a blank page design, we're going to import using a share code. And I'm just going to paste the code that I copied from this page, which is at the bottom. And we'll click on import now. And from there, you'll just click on launch editor. And there you have it. The page has been copied. And when you do the copying of the share code, make sure you change this code to your code. And you can get that here by clicking on code, and you would just copy this information, highlight and copy. And also, once you change or use the share code for a page, make sure you change everything that has a link to your affiliate links. So you will receive the credits and commissions for everyone signing up for the programs that are listed on the page. And that's basically it. Oh, and if there is an ad column, make sure you change that one as well. You would just delete it click here to delete and then confirm the deletion. And then you can add a dedicated row for the ad widget so it has your code in it. Okay, and I do thank you very much for staying with me this long. If you like the video, please click like button as well as subscribe, and I'll bring more videos. That helps the channel. And if you have any requests for any other videos about how to use LeadsLeap, just leave that below in the comments. And a link to this page as well as LeadsLeap and a few other useful websites will be available in the comments as well. Thank you.